everybody, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. So this week I want to teach you something called QR code organization. So these are really cool. This is a system called Argosy QR, and it's really awesome for labeling your containers in basement storage or, storage room organization. So in a place where you have multiple bins, multiple totes, what you do, obviously you're gonna pull and categorize everything into those bins that you wanna keep, like items, necessary items, things, that you're gonna use eventually. Then what we like to do is there's an app you download. You're gonna put in the QR code, and in the app, you're gonna write down what's in this bin, the basic details of it, and then you put your bins away in a way that makes sense for you. If you're looking for something, you can go through your phone, scroll through your phone, find out, hey, that's where that bin is. I know exactly where to go. You go find your bin, you find your item. Also, if you just don't know what's in the bin, you can scan the QR code and it'll tell you, here are the 5 items that are in the bin. So, want you to check out this Argosy QR code for labeling bins, storage, basement, garages. So, thank you for sticking around for this week's Just the Tip.